Kira, what's the label say?
Yeah.
It says yeah. So as you can see, guys, it's risen throughout the night and it's fallen a little bit. So we're getting some activity, and then also, if you guys look, it's starting to bubble up on the inside, which means that we have some bacteria making their home there. So we're gonna stir down the starter. Kind of has like a ripe, vinegary smell to it. Get our fresh jar for the day. Transfer our handy dandy sticker. And turn on our scale. And once we're all set up here, we are going to be adding 75 grams of the mixture. And then we're going to be adding 50 grams of rye flour and 50 grams of all-purpose flour. And finally, guys, we're going to be adding 115 grams of water. Perfect. We're going to take our handy dandy chopstick and stir that all up. And we're just going to make sure again that everything is really well incorporated. There's no dry bits. We're just going to let this rest for 24 hours in a warm place. I'm going to take the rubber band from the old jar, put it over on the new jar. And that's a wrap for day 3. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 4.
Oh yeah.
Peace.